Alright, today's project on this here Scrambler, we're hooping it. Gonna put the old CJ grill hoop, rollover hoop on it. Gonna weld it to the winch tray right there. And right there, he's just shortening it up so it'll fit good. I like them a little tall. I've got mine up about that high on my Scrambler, so if you do roll over, it really doesn't crush your hood. I mean, if you're gonna have one of those, it might as well work, right? So stay tuned for some of that. What do you think? You happy with it?
Uh-huh.
Alright. It's gonna look cool. It's about the right height. Yep, let's get her welded. Are you worried about it? We're tagged. It's sitting here. That's what it looks like from the side. What it looks like from the front. Right now we're just tacked on. And he's deciding. What's the final call?
Gonna weld that.
Alright, let's do it. Nice hard access welding there. Okay, look at this thing. It's all welded on here. These welds look pretty good. For the access issues, they look really nice. So now what we're up to is on the ass end of this thing. See, there I go. We're gonna hang this bumper on the back here. So we'll get you some pictures of that. So she's tacked on there. Here's what she's gonna look like. I like it.
Run our hose.
Yeah. So this Jeep's gonna have onboard air, and we're figuring out where to mount the air tanks, and this is a pretty good spot. They fit in there relatively tight, tuck out of the way of the whole back end here, so we like it. We like it. Let's figure it out. Get it mounted.